I am currently studying in 12th standard and have chosen science. I secured a total of 95.8% in my 10th board exams and 100 marks in maths and Sanskrit. First major role was played by my school, who with their amazing faculties helped us ace our academics. One important thing I used to follow during my preparation was to complete revising the lecture notes I had prepared during that day itself. I also made sure that I solved at least 10 questions from my maths NCERT textbook and marked the doubts. I cannot stress enough on the doubt clearance part. It will help you strengthen your concepts even better. For Sanskrit, I used to refer to my class notes and sir made us practice numerous letters and passages. For me, target-oriented study is way better than time-oriented one. I would like to thank our management for their kind support and helping us out in every way possible. School is the first step towards your dream and we should all make it worthwhile. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sarthak Arade from Omkar English Medium School, CBSE. I am currently studying in Standard 12 and I have chosen Science stream. I scored a total of 94.6% in the Class 10 board examination and I also scored 100 marks in the maths paper. The main strategy that I followed during my 10th standard was to focus on the subject that I was weak in, especially maths. I used to solve at least 10 to 15 questions from the maths textbook, that is NCERT. And if the doubt arises, I used to get it clear with my maths teacher. For other subjects, I used to refer the NCERT textbook and used to revise the lecture notes, which gave me a clear idea about the concept. Our teachers and management played an important role in structuring the way on how to study efficiently. Our teachers stressed upon the doubt solving part. And at last, I would like to tell you, you should solve the NCERT exemplar for both maths and science. So it will give a better idea about the type of questions that come in the board examination. And as you know, this year the examination has been divided into two terms, a term 1 and term 2 examination. So you need to start your preparation from today onward with great enthusiasm and score incandescent marks in the board examination. I would like to conclude my speech with a small quote: there is no elevator for the success, you have to take the stairs. Thank you, all the best for your board examination.